A rocking toilet after installation signals a compromised seal and should be fixed before you use it. First, shut off the water and drain the tank and bowl to avoid mess while you work. Inspect the flange level and ring height by placing a straight board across the bowl base to see gaps. The flange should sit flush with the finished floor or be within a 1/4 inch of the bowl's outlet face. If the flange is too low or broken, raise it with a flange extender kit or replace the flange, and use a new wax or waxless ring size to the flange height. For small, uneven gaps under the bowl skirt, pack a non-shrinking, hard-setting material under the base such as thinset, mortar, or leftover grout mixed to a stiff toothpaste consistency. Push it into gaps from the outside, then set the bowl down and tighten the bolts evenly to seat the toilet. Allow the packing material to cure fully, typically 24 to 48 hours depending on product and room temperature, before applying any sealant. Do not rely on silicone caulk to stop movement because silicone remains flexible and only hides the problem. Use silicone only after movement is eliminated to make the area easier to clean and to finish the appearance. Common mistakes include over-tightening bolts, which can crack the porcelain. If you feel resistance before the bowl seats, back off and add thin packing material or use plastic washers to distribute load. Relying on silicone alone is another frequent error because it masks rocking and will tear under motion. Fix movement first with a rigid shim material and then apply a silicone bead for finish. Ignoring a damaged flange leads to recurring rocking and leaks. Inspect the flange closely and repair or replace it and select a ring that matches the finished floor height. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for repairs like fixing a rocking toilet and gives contractors a place to find practical jobs in their area. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips and step-by-step experiences so we can all learn from real projects.